The X990, the X990 from SYMA. It's a helicopter drone, a quadcopter. It has a 3.7 volt battery, 500 milliamp, 90-minute charge time, about 5+ minutes of run time. It has leapfrog, it has swivel, it has flips, circles, and spins. We're going to set this up, do a low light flight, show you what it's about. Starting up is up and down. Calibrating is down and to the right for 3 seconds. And ready to fly, manual takeoff. And out we go with lights. We have a run time of 5 minutes and up to 90 feet. Supply your own AAA batteries, turn on the unit, and on the bottom we have 2 green lights and an on and off switch. Simply turn on, place down, up and down on both sticks to the right for calibration. We have 2 speeds. This is slow and this is fast. Need some height for flips. We have leapfrog. Leapfrog does it all by itself. Circle mode. And circle fly mode. Auto takeoff is a simple button on the right hand side by hitting once. And to trim is pressing the left button in and adjusting and letting go. We'll give a run time in the park, manual takeoff. If we have trouble coming down, we just simply drop it by going to the inner. And then we recalibrate for another flight. We have low voltage cutoff by lights, and when the drone hits low voltage cutoff, it'll start to lose power and come down in its place. It's giving you a warning that you need to come in for a landing. This is altitude hold, forward, back, left, right. We'll do a flip. We'll do a flip. And go half unflying. "30 meters is the distance. Bring it up close to the camera. The X990. Indoor, outdoor flying. Leapfrog, flips, rotations, and more. Little drone indeed. The SYMA X990 comes nicely packaged and secured. You got the drone, transmitter, instructions, battery caution guide, and a precision Phillips screwdriver. Auto takeoff, flip stunt, 6-axis gyro, flashing LED lights, 2.4 gigahertz with hover functions, flies in circles, rotates up and down, frog leaps, and backward Z paths. The head of the drone, the left side, the right side, and the tail with the 3 propeller and guards that protect from the hands, with the landing gear and the on and off and the USB-C charging port. It is a 500 milliamp battery that you simply plug in the USB-C to the port and the other end to the optional brick. 90 minutes to fully charge a 500 milliamp battery. The red light turns green and you're ready to. You have 4 brushed motors, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The controls: pressing in and going on the trim, letting go to activate the trim, the on and off button, and to reset the trim is simply holding the trim button and pressing the on and off, and that will reset your trim. You have your up and down, your flips, your frog, and your rotations. You have your forward, back, left, and right. You have your counterclockwise, clockwise turns. You extend and descend. To turn the drone on is simply hitting the switch forward to the front. You have green lights that will flicker. Turn the drone on and go up and down to secure a pairing. In order to calibrate and every crash after, it's down on both joysticks and to the right diagonally. And when they're done correctly, we are calibrated. During flight, if you ever need to come down as an emergency, it's down and inward to start and down and inward to automatically shut off. If your transmitter starts flashing, that means you're on low battery. Please change out the optional 4 AAA batteries. With the Phillips screwdriver, release the safety screw, open up the battery door, and place in 4 replaceable AAAs. Now that we've gone over the drone and everything we need to know, we simply turn on the drone. We get ready for our first flight. Up and down to pair, down and right to calibrate. In order to operate the drone manually, you could go up on the joystick or diagonally in on the joystick and manually go up. A close-up shot to the camera. We have altitude hold. We need to trim. As a drone can fly indoors and outdoors, we counterclockwise turn, clockwise turn, go forward, left, right, and we have leapfrog by simply hitting the leapfrog button and going forward, and a leapfrog or leapfrog back. Hitting leapfrog is hitting the button and going forward, like so, and letting go. We have a turn, and we have a flip. You need indoor flying. In order to change the speed, you hit this button. The right joystick, push in, and we got faster speed. Auto takeoff and auto land. As simply as hitting the auto land. We've gone over the basic details of the drone. Use your imagination to have fun with your drone, indoors and outdoors. You're given a little circle that you can simply place down on the floor and land. You can fly your drone up to 30 meters away for up to 5 minutes with the 3.7 volt battery, 500 milliamp that charges 90 minutes per runtime, internal battery only. I hope you enjoy your SYMA drone products. Check online for further details about the makes and models and the colors they may come in. Thank you for your time and view. Have a great day.